Here we are at the Palfinger Lengo site. With around 1,250 employees, Lengo is the largest production site in the Palfinger production network. We are confronted with a very wide range of tasks. It ranges from sheet metal processing to crane assembly. In the steel construction area, we manufacture and coat a wide range of components, which we use to assemble our cranes. Finally, the cranes are mounted on a vehicle. We also manufacture hexagonal and polygonal tubes, which we use in the crane extensions. This allows us to offer total solutions to our customers. It was important for us to continue to develop our technology in order to be ready for the future. That's why we decided to invest in a new machining center here in Lengo. Productivity is always an issue. Therefore, one of our requirements for the new acquisition was to reduce the cycle time in order to generate more output. The deciding reason for choosing Soraluce was clearly the best price/performance ratio on the market. The most important factor in choosing this machine was the special design of the angle head. This allows us to reach and mill in the areas between the tabs of the large articulated arms. This gives us more flexibility in parallel machining and allows us to achieve the objectives of this investment. The FLP series machines are very compact and offer a very high machining capacity in a very small space. The size, speed, and rotary tables make this machine ideal for us. The two 3,000 by 1,800 mm rotary tables give us great flexibility. The key advantage of this machine is the angle head, which allows us to produce components where we move up to 10 mm to the raw material. This was not possible with the other machines on the short list. With the FLP series, we can fit a very small diagonal milling head that can plunge very deeply into the workpiece due to low interference contours. Throughout our portfolio, there are options to eliminate vibration and breakage frequencies. As our components sometimes swing open, we use the SSV system, from which we benefit greatly. We have spindle lengths of up to 600 mm for boring machining. Especially here, the SSV system brings us many advantages. During the running-in process, we had to call on the support of Soraluce. The support was there within 24 hours, which I can only describe as very positive. Thanks to the new production technology, we are benefiting from a significant increase in productivity. It was important for us to increase the availability and stability of the plant and to take a technological step into the future.